Hello everybody, welcome to Convolution Educare YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss some more string methods in Python. So the previous class we have discussed some string methods, so we are going to discuss some more. Hope you will enjoy this particular class. Now, first of all, we are going to see something called ends with. What is it? Ends with is nothing. It's also another string function. So I am going to discuss this ends with function with the help of some code. So what I have done, what I've done over here, I said str1 equal to life should be great rather than long. Then I said str1 dot ends with, then inside the bracket under the double quotes I said ng. That means here I want to see whether this particular statement which is there in str1, is it ending with ng? If it is going to end with ng, then it will return a true value, else it will return a false value. So in this case what? Obviously it is returning a true, going to return a true value, because if you look at this particular thing, we are finding ng is the last, ng is present at the end of this particular statement. So and my ends with function is also trying to find out whether this particular word is present at the end of or not. It is there, so that's why my output is true. Next, look at another example. I said str1 dot ends with, then er, then 0,27. That means it will start the counting from the 0th position. It will continue till 27 characters. And er is the last character or not. If it is there, then output is going to be true. So let us count. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So till it will continue like this, space and C obviously is finding what? Here in this case, ER is the last character. So it is also going to return a true value. So this way what you have seen? We have seen the use of ends with method. Next, let us see another method called starts with. So it was going to check what? Suppose take the example, life should be like this. So I am saying starts with li. So this starts with is going to check whether the li is the first character. Yes, obviously li is the first character. So my output is also becoming true. See another example, starts with b, then 12,16 means I am going to find out b, and it must start from the 12th position. So let us count it, and it will continue till 16 characters. So let us see 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, look at this. So B is in the 12th position. So, and obviously see, and my criteria I also said 12,16. So it will start the counting from 12 position, and see, that's why see, and he's finding what? In the 12th position B is there. So my output is also becoming true. So hope you have learned, you have understood the use of this starts with method. Next, we are having another method called is alpha. Now, what is it? I said str1 equal to hello. Then I use this function called is alpha. It's returning true value. Means this particular str1 is carrying only alphabets. Yes, hello is inside this hello only alphabets are there. No numeric, no space. So my output is true. But look at this one, str2 equal to hello space 123, and I am using is alpha function. So in this case, what is obviously false, because it is not only alphabets, space and 1, 2, 3. The numerics are also there. So it is not going to return a true value. Is alpha is going to check only alphabets are there in a particular word or not. That's why in the first case it is becoming true, but in this case it is becoming a false value. Another implementation, str3 is hello, then is a space. Then I said is alpha. Again in this case output is what? False. Why? Because hello is there. Fine, alphabets are there. But after that there is a space. So in this case also alpha is alpha function is also going to return a false value. So this is the implementation of is alpha method. So these are some methods which you have discussed today. Hope you have understood this particular things and you have enjoyed this class also. Thank you.